Hi, I'm in conversation with an actor who started from a stammer. He's now a leading dubbing artist. Wait, there's more. He's a man of many parts. From the world of Sanjay Bhansali to the world of Raj and DK, he's a fine actor. He's also devotes himself to many causes. But first and foremost, I know him as Sharat Kelkar. Thank you for being part of this conversation. Uh,
You, I think
my
we have carried
yes,
that
yes, yes. My
for a
first
long time.
question to you is, uh, when you look back, what would you tell your younger self today?
From where I came and now where you're standing today, I think it's a long journey and a very happy journey, I would say.
Like, what would you tell a younger Sharad that you did good?
You did good. You were independent. You were confident. Whatever decisions you made went into your favor. So I think all was correct. I think there's no regret. Just keep on doing that same thing. What you're doing.
So I've watched clips of yours. I've interacted with. What strikes me is you've done it all. Like you've done, and which is what makes you so rooted. You come from Gwalior. You were a gym instructor. You tried to get into the defense services. That didn't happen. Then you did your MBA. Then you became a ramp model, and all of that. So what are the lessons, like what are the do's and don'ts about life when you were
Nothing, nothing. You should just follow the path. And life has its own path, so you just follow it. Be honest to yourself. Do anything whichever you're thinking of. Do with full-fledged efforts. Be truthful to yourself. Then it happens or not. It's happening or not happening. It's not in your hand. There's a very big part of your destiny. So believe in that. It'll take you to the right way. If you try to deflect, then things might go wrong. But if you are stubborn, if you are, you are going with the time, I think that your time will come one day, and then you will see that whatever you have done gave you a tremendous amount of experience in life, and that will make you a complete human being. You know, touchwood, I have gone through so many phases, so many fields, so many experiences. I think so. I I feel that yeah, there is a lot of knowledge first of all around everything. A little bit of I can talk about every field. My father was in government job, engineer. So obviously in Maharashtrian family, that's a basic thing. Become engineer, banja. The basic Maharashtrian family is like sarkari naukri kar tu, asa. Then obviously I tried. I got selected in Bhilai, but it was too far from my house and my mom was alone. So I said, "Ki, let's try next time and get a better college nearby." But it didn't happen.
for engineering?
Engineering. Then I did my degree in sports and physical sciences. I used to play judo and cricket, so I did my degree in that.
That's where you get your discipline from.
No, I was disciplined from beginning because so it's very interesting. I used to do my homework since I think class third or fourth in the morning at 5:30. I used to wake up at 5:36. I used to do my homework and then go to school so that I'll have full day for sport playing. तो मॉम कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकती है कि घर आके पढ़ाई कर ले. सुबह उठो पढ़ाई कर लो पूरा दिन खाली है आपके लिए. So that was a practice. And till I think I joined TV, till that time it was the discipline. After that, in TV there's no discipline. You are shooting non-stop anywhere, anytime. So that one thing. Then I wanted to go to defense. So the discipline, helped me a lot there. But unfortunately, I was out in conference. So in conference, what happens? Either you are in or out. Correct. But if they are giving you a lot of questions in conference, that means you are borderline case. So they're thinking of whether to take you or not. Unfortunately, I was not selected. But again, a lesson that failure will come, but you have to, keep on walking. My MBA, I started working in a gym. I was working in a private company. I was doing modeling also. थोड़ा घर का खर्चा संभालो, अपना खर्चा संभालो. Then I came to Mumbai just for 7 days. to my brother's place.
And you got that 5,000
that 5,000 rupees wala story.
up and
Everybody
went,
knows that. And then I told mom, and my mom, that's a very beautiful thing that after so many failures in different fields, still my mom had that trust in me that my boy will do something in life. So she didn't stop me कि नहीं यार तू कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा है, तू यहाँ रह के नौकरी कर, something like that. She said, go जा यार, तू कर लेगा, मुझे पता है, तू कुछ ना कुछ करेगा जाके उधर. And that faith, that trust is still there. She never asked me कि यार तू घर पे क्यों बैठा है या काम नहीं है क्या तेरे पास. वो पूछ next क्या कर रहा है. She always asked me this. So it's a very positive question to me कि next क्या कर रहा है. तू घर पे क्यों. Normally question है तू shooting पे नहीं जा रहा है, घर पे क्यों बैठा है. These are the questions normally mom asks. My mother never asked me this.
You know, my most interesting story about you is how you were thrown out because of your stammering problem, and the same production house called you for a fabulous, that's my most favorite Sharat Kelkar story. But what I also love is the fact that you have triumphed it, you know, through breathing exercises, like you constantly say. What would your advice be to people who, you know, go through this kind of,
I think not just stammering, anything in your life, any problem, any mind state, I think breathing a proper, you just observe your own breathing. No meditation, कि मैं किसी को photo रख के देखूं, ये करूं, वो करूं, nothing. Just observe, feel your breathing. That will help you a lot.
But how long did it take you to become okay?
I think once I मतलब एक बार जब पता चल गया ना क्या है, I think maybe a month.
Stammer when you get anxious?
Yeah.
Even now?
Yeah. So that's a proof that when I'm anxious, I'm stammering because I'm not breathing properly. Like I observed Mr. Bachchan, for example. How I think he's the best in terms of dialogue delivery. We all know that. So his pattern you observe. So he takes a breath in between a certain, he'll say one line in a certain way and then again he'll say one line. So that's a pattern what he has. So try to build something or copy or fake it till you make it. But it will happen in maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. But keep on doing that. And I can assure you that it will happen. You will at least correct it till 80-85%. Not 100%. I still stammer in front of my wife when she scolds me. हो जाता है. But otherwise, yeah, that's, I think 80-85% is quite good, I think, for a stammerer.
Tell me, you play all these alpha male guys and you were superb. Yeah, which is what I'm coming to. You played all these alpha male guys, especially Baji Prabhu, which was, you know, outstanding performance. And then you play a completely different role like Lakshmi. So, did you get into the transgender mindset? And, you know, because of your alpha male characters, did you have any preconceived notions in your head? Ki, obviously, Hindi films have very cliched portrayals of the transgender characters. I've seen very few, maybe, which Paresh Rawal did, which Nawaz did in Haddi recently. But otherwise, I've seen very cliched portrayals. So, and yours was what? A 17-minute character, 70, yeah. How did that change you when you did something like that?
No, first of all, Raghav Lawrence, who's the director, he did himself the film in Tamil. So obviously I've seen Kanchana, and Sarath Kumar, who played the role, and it was beautifully played by him. So I saw that, and I saw the completely different transgender in that film. Another very good example was Vijay Sethupathi in Super Deluxe. Fabulous performance. So I think those two are my ideas to how to portray Lakshmi. The advantage was because of my physicality. I'm very big structure male, right? So how will this guy will look as a transgender? I think that went in my favor also. Normally you've seen a little, maybe not muscular, but a little massive guy or something like that. I was massive, muscular, everything, and I think that went in favor. How can this guy play this? And I'll be very honest, I saw Akshay sir's portrayal of the other part in the film because they shot earlier. And they showed me that Akshay sir has done this because I have to copy that. Exactly. But obviously the structure is different. Akshay sir is more leaner. But the mannerism particularly, what Akshay did, I have to copy that because otherwise it was other way around. But because he shot earlier, then I have to see that and then do my part. I think so that two, three factors I combined and I did that. But I was, I never imagined that this will become so big because it's a 17 minutes role. So, but then again, one thing, if you are convinced yourself, so for not just for this role, for any role, like.
But did you meet the transgender community?
Yeah, because they were there on the sets and I had a long chats because, setup ho raha hai and all. So I used to sit with them and chat and I heard the story and literally I was crying. What they go through, it was. I think that particular one scene, I think I'll say when I give a speech on the stage. Just before that, I was sitting with these transgenders and they were telling me about their stories, what happens with them, or somebody went through a sex change operation and all that. And it was so painful. I think I was. मैं विचलित था मतलब कह सकते हैं जिसको जब मैंने वो सुना आई वाज डिस्टर्ब्ड कि यार ये क्या ये अलग ये कभी पहलू देखा नहीं है लाइफ में ना सुना है कभी नॉट गिवन रिस्पेक्ट नथिंग एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे behave in a certain way. They are demanding from you, understand, because we are not giving them. That's why they are demanding. So if we start giving them, they'll not behave in a certain way. Or so that whole thing was going in my head. I think that scene came and हो गया मतलब ऐसा. I would not say कि मैंने वो सोच के ऐसा कुछ किया होगा. That and वो जो कैमरा है ना वो उससे कुछ छुपता नहीं. That's the only thing. It catches everything. वो पढ़ लेता है आपको. तो जितना आप my idea is that कि first you convince yourself before doing any character कि do you think you are that character? Then do it. वो सिर्फ डायलॉग बोल के एक्टिंग करने की कोशिश करना is not acting. I would say तो मेरा वो because I'm not a trained actor, so I always believe in me कि मैं वो कैरेक्टर हूँ. मेरे को कोई मेथड नहीं आता, मेरे को कुछ आता नहीं, मैंने कुछ कोई क्लास नहीं की है, कोई स्कूल नहीं गया मैं कभी, ना मैं थिएटर पे आई थिंक मैंने वो स्टेज पे कभी कदम नहीं रखा होगा लाइफ में. नेवर थॉट ऑफ बीइंग एन एक्टर ना. सो मुझे लगता है कि यार मैं फील करूँगा तो शायद कुछ दिखेगा चेहरे पे या आंखों में. तो मैं वही करता हूँ. मेरा मेथड ही वो है कि फर्स्ट डे ऑन द सेट आई गेट रेडी एंड सिट इन माई वैन अलोन फॉर हाफ एन आवर एंड एज आई टेल दिस टू माई डायरेक्टर एंड प्रोड्यूसर कि बस मैं वो आधा घंटा लूँगा अपने लिए because I need to convince. So I sit in front of mirror and I talk to myself कि यार तू ये ऐसा. And then it's a very easy way to do the character.
Do you intimidate the actors you work with? Because you're probably better looking and a better actor than a lot of people. That's one. And second question is, are there any actors who've really influenced you? You've been impressed by the way they've conducted themselves or the way they act. Somebody who you say, yeah, this is a great person who's conducted his career well.
For me, it's I don't intimidate people. They might get intimidated with me. I think
they
that.
cut your roles and all? Has that happened? Yeah.
We should not talk about it, but it's a very normal process.
Okay, without naming names, has your roles been cut a lot? Have your roles been cut?
Not a lot, but yeah, a few times. Obviously, and yeah, it's fine with me. I'm okay with that. I'm not very concerned about it. People like me in 4 scenes also. I'm okay. Secondly, yeah, I'm an actor who I always, if somebody comes to me and asks, or if I feel that he's struggling to perform or something, I openly share my experiences and I try to guide if they're younger a lot. And so I like those actors who share their knowledge and experience and the process basically. So yeah, I have worked with I think almost everyone. That only the Khans are remaining, I think all 3. Otherwise, most of them I worked with. And touchwood, I've been lucky that I got good co-stars or good actors to work with. And otherwise also, out of, if I'm not doing any film also, but we share a good rapport, like with, I think, Irfan sir. I met him, I think, 4-5 times because Nishikant was making Rocky and Sam and Madari together. So we interacted and he was such a nice guy. He used to share knowledge. Whatever you ask him, he'll give you a good answer to it and he'll guide you. Like recently, not recently, but I think 5-6 years back, I did special ops. So I was shooting with KK Menon sir, and always admired his work. He's such a fluid performer, I think I would say. And one very nice thing he told me that apart from delivering your dialogues, listening is the most important thing. If you are listening to others' dialogues, then the reaction will come automatically. That's a very simple thing, but people don't notice it, they don't think about it. So now, whenever I'm acting with some younger lot, I give them this: "Ki yaar, tu sunna kar. Sunna is very important." So, touchwood, I've been blessed to work with such actors and such friends in the industry. They all supported me. But yeah, intimidate to people get, because I think I have that. They say that सर आप ऐसे आवाज़ आपकी ऐसी है, आपकी तो लंबे चौड़े पर्सनैलिटी ऐसी, we get intimidated. मैं कुछ करता नहीं. Like I was working with Jackie sir, and yeah, with him I got intimidated. यार क्या personality इस आदमी की है, the way he conducts, the way he behaves on the set, it's quite loving. First of all, you will fall in love with Jackie sir. So वैसा है, मतलब I like such kind of actors कि यार वो as a human they are very good. So you get intimidated with them. You start speaking like them. So I was on the set after 4th day, I was speaking like Jackie Shroff. Gyuntak.
Like Pawan Kalyan se leke Akshay Kumar, you work with the best banners, best. Something you fall short of, you feel somewhere something.
No,
is it because
I don't know reason.
Is it because the films didn't work? Could that be the reason?
No, not really. I think the ratio, if you see, I have a 500 crore film because of the voice.
Of course.
I have many 100 crore films, and so the film worked. But I don't know what, I'm still trying to find out कि यार ये problem किधर फंस रही है. My PR is bad, or I am very outspoken, or maybe.
Are you outspoken?
Yeah, I'm very blunt.
Sets?
No, not on
Give me
sets.
an example. Have you lost a role because you were outspoken?
No, yeah, I'm very straightforward in that. If I don't like, I say no. No, people take it in the wrong way also sometimes, or because of my voice and my structure and physicality and because I'm from Gwalior, so I'm very raw in that way, and still I'm that raw guy. So I think people might be thinking that he has an attitude, but I don't have as such. That's my way of behaving. It's not something I can't put on that bro, what's up bro. I can't do that here in my life. So it's like if I like someone, I'll meet him as कोई अपना है यार, उससे मिल लेते हैं. Like with Akshay sir or Ajay sir, I go and I just meet them. So I'm still trying to figure out कि यार ये क्यों हो रहा है ऐसा. But I'm very optimistic. So आज नहीं कल हो जाएगा यार, मतलब मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ.
Correct.
हो जाएगा. But I think things are going in a good way. Like my show release, I think it was my first solo hit show, Doctors, which came on Jio. Then Skyforce also became a 100 crore film again. After a long time, people saw 100 crores on the box office. So I think. Let's see what happens.
Was there any film that you were banking on, and then that didn't do well, which sort of upset you or took you back 3 steps?
My wife always says यार कि यार तू जब फिल्म अगर हिट होती है तो तू बहुत खुश नहीं होता है, और फ्लॉप होती है तो तू बिल्कुल तेरे को अफेक्ट नहीं करती है फिल्म. तो मैंने कहा वो मेरा नेचर है यार. व्हाई शुड आई गेट अफेक्टेड. नहीं चली यार, पिक्चर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगी या कुछ स्ट्रैटेजी में प्रॉब्लम होगी या PR में इशू होगा. नहीं चलिए ठीक है, आगे बढ़ो यार, क्या करना है. फिल्म हिट होगी, चलो इसके बाद और कुछ अच्छा काम करेंगे वो. और तो मैं फंड है कि ना खुशी में बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो जाओ, ना गम में बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी हो जाओ. बी अ बैलेंस का है. वो लिब्रन का वैसे भी नेचर होता है ऐसा कि बैलेंस है थोड़े से. सो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है किसी चीज़ से. सो मेरा आइडिया है तो वन फिल्म विच आई मतलब इट वॉज अ trial in Marathi cinema. I was a co-producer also of the film. I was hoping, but unfortunately that film didn't do well. नहीं बोलूँगा, it did very bad actually. Ranti I was hoping, and but unfortunately it didn't do well. But ठीक है, मतलब again कुछ try करेंगे अच्छा, better try करेंगे, and we'll learn from it कि what went wrong in the film or what And obviously in this 2 months I realized कि what went wrong, what we did wrong in the film. वो सीखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. वो उस पे रोने की जगह सीखना बहुत, मैं मानता हूँ सीखना ज़रूरी है.
You know, if I had to say one that you've picked up from your directors, is there some trait that you've picked up from any?
I'll tell you, with Rajmouli sir, I'll tell you that particular scene when the dialogue is there कि औरत पर हाथ डालने वाले की उंगलियां नहीं काटते हैं उसका गला. Now, if you are a Hindi speaking guy, if I take a pause at certain point, it might sound very awkward or very odd. कि औरत पर हाथ डालने वाले की उंगलियां नहीं काटते हैं उसका. If I take a pause here, it sound very, very odd. The dubbing director was there, obviously the SS was there and Rajmouli sir was there, but he came later and we were trying to dub it कि क्या word use करें, ऐसा करें कि नहीं करें, कि गला वहाँ डालें, क्या is sounding और एक साथ बोल दें, क्या करें. He came saying, do it like this only. वो pause चाहिए मुझे वहाँ पर. I said, sir, it will sound as a. So there is no conventional way of doing things. If you are convinced, if you are a maker or if you are an actor, you are convinced in a certain way, just do it like that. It will work. एक मेथड कोई ऐसा कोई किताब नहीं लिखी है कि इसको ऐसे ही करना है. So that one thing I learned कि यार ज़रूरी नहीं है, मतलब कॉपी बुक नहीं है वहाँ पर करना है. आप अपना तरीका ढूंढ सकते हैं कहीं भी करने का. With Bhansali sir, obviously, one thing I learned कि वो फाइनल टेक ही दिखने वाला है. आप 50 ही टेक करो, दिखेगा वही, लगेगा वही जो सबसे अच्छा टेक होगा. So don't bother about the retakes. Obviously, you do your best, but whatever he likes, he'll put it, and he knows the best. So I never see the monitor when I shoot. I never go and sit on the monitor. मैं कभी नहीं देखता. Because if he has written the film, he knows the full film. He is convinced with the performance. It's his call. मेरा कॉल है कि मैं अच्छा दिख रहा हूँ कि नहीं दिख रहा हूँ यार, ये ऐसा नहीं. It's not my call यार. I'm an actor. I'm a puppet who is working for him. So अगर उन्होंने बोल दिया हाँ, that means it's okay. If he says okay and then you go on the monitor and says can I do one more, it's fine. But मैं एक और कर लेता हूँ सर ये और अच्छा, और sitting on monitor and watching, then अच्छा इसने उसने अच्छा नहीं किया, इसने अच्छा नहीं किया. It's not your job as an actor. What I feel.
So you probably had to unlearn everything you learned. TV में 10 shot एक दिन में.
You have to completely, throw the bag behind and move every time when you do something new. आप बोल मेरे को आता है करके जाओगे तो फिर ग्रोथ खत्म हो गई वहीं पर. मुझे आता है, जिस दिन बोल दिया ना एक्टर को मुझे आता है यार ये तो उस दिन खत्म. हाँ, आपको टेक्निकल नॉलेज है, ग्रेट. आप ये बोल सकते हो हाँ मुझे टेक्निकली पता है यार क्या करना है, बट एज एन एक्टर अगर मुझे एक्टिंग आती है, बोल दिया मुझे सब पूरी एक्टिंग आती है, तो आप खत्म हो गया ना. नो पॉइंट देन, इसको डिस्कशन ही नहीं है. फिर आप उसकी नज़रों में डायरेक्टर की वैसे गिर जाओगे तुरंत. अच्छा तो सब आता है, ठीक है तो ओके. But technically, if you are learning, like there are a lot of actors who are technically very sound. Most of them now, senior, जितने भी senior, they are technically, they are aware and how. If you, Ajay sir especially, which I worked with him, he is technically so sound. मतलब, I think I've never seen an actor who knows.
So he
still,
Ghost directed.
Akshay sir also, he knows technically. He is very smart in that way. पता होता है क्या है, aware है. But you will feel कि अक्षय घूम रहे हैं, क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, but he is aware about what's happening on the set.
And when you were working on Family Man with Rajan DK, was
fun.
that like?
It was fun. They both are pretty fun guys. And because that role was very, very important for me because I was getting typecasted that time. I was doing only villain, and I lost one film. Now I can say that film, and I really, if you ask me one film which would have changed something, it was Tumhari Sulu. Yeah. Because Suresh narrated me the script for the first time, and I was the first choice. Manav's role.
Why did you not do that?
I didn't say. Okay. They internally discussed, and Suresh tried till the last as a director. But then obviously you know how it works. So I'm sad that I couldn't do that film. Maybe my choice, because I was doing one film with the same company and I was playing a very ugly villain in that. So they might be the reason they were thinking कि यार इसमें तो इतना गंदा काम हुआ, फिर हीरो कैसे एक्सेप्ट होगा और whatever. आप फिर कारण ढूंढ लेते हो बाद में कि यार इसलिए शायद होगा ऐसा, but otherwise as an actor I don't think कि a role can bound someone कि यार ये ऐसा ही काम करना चाहिए. People experiment and touch wood, like Srikanth proved a lot of people wrong कि यार सबको लग रहा था कि ये दोस्त नहीं होगा, ये कुछ गड़बड़ होगा पूरी पिक्चर में. तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर किसी एक्टर को और अच्छे मौके मिले या पीपल शुड ट्रस्ट सेफ फिल्म में बनाना, जो हम करना शुरू कर दिया है हमने सेफ, वो आई थिंक कहीं इज गोइंग अगेंस्ट अस. व्हिच यू आस्क्ड मी बिफोर द इंटरव्यू स्टार्टेड कि व्हाई आई थिंक वी हैव फॉरगॉट द कन्वेंशनल फिल्म मेकिंग. आई थिंक जो मुझे लगता है, कम से मेरा जितना भी एक एक्सपीरियंस है 15-20 साल जितना मैंने काम किया, वो कन्वेंशनल अभी सब प्रोजेक्ट्स बन रहे हैं कि यहाँ से रिकवरी वहाँ से रिकवरी, इतना ठीक है प्रैक्टिकली ठीक है, बट इट शुड नॉट अफेक्ट योर फिल्म मेकिंग. हम कहीं वहाँ कुछ लैक कर रहे हैं मुझे लग रहा है. और ऐसे नहीं कि साउथ में फिल्में फ्लॉप नहीं होती हैं, बहुत फिल्में फ्लॉप होती हैं साउथ में, वो हम तक पहुँचते, हमको न्यूज़ नहीं आती हमारे, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट दोस. यू माइट बी अवेयर, बट एज ए लेमैन वी आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट कि साउथ में कितनी फिल्में फ्लॉप हुई, कितनी हिट हुई. बट वी आर मच अवेयर अबाउट हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. यार इतनी फ्लॉप हो गई, 2 ही हिट हुई हैं, 4 ही हिट हुई हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं, एवरीवेयर इज लाइक दैट. लाइक रिसेंटली आई रेड एन आर्टिकल, तमिल इंडस्ट्री 1,000 crore loss in the industry, some article came, and so it's because I think we are making projects, we are proposals we are making, and your conventional film we are safeguarding. Sir, again one more thing, I did my MBA na, so my first lesson ही है कि without risk you can't do any business. रिस्क तो लेना पड़ेगा. आप सेफ बिजनेस को होता ही नहीं है लाइफ में. लाइक इफ मैं अगर मुंबई आया तो अपनी पूरी लाइफ रिस्क पे लेके आया ना कि यार घर छोड़ के आया हूँ, तो जब आप वहाँ रिस्क ले सकते हो तो ये तो काम है यार, वहाँ तो रिस्क लेना ही पड़ेगा आपको. आई थिंक वो कन्वेंशनल फिल्म मेकिंग बहुत ज़रूरी है. फिर वो फिल्म हिट हो फ्लॉप हो नसीब है आपका, बट आप वो फिल्म मेकिंग के मेथड को रॉन्ग नहीं कर सकते ना. आप डायरेक्टर को जैसे इसको इसमें ये इसको ले लेते हैं या ये ऐसे शूट करेंगे, यहाँ पर हम इसको वहाँ शूट नहीं करेंगे, हम ऐसे शूट कर लें. इट्स अ डायरेक्टर्स कॉल. उसको अगर आप ले रहे हो, साइन कर रहे हो, तो गिव हिम लिबर्टी टू शूट एज ही वांट्स टू शूट और विद whom ही वांट्स टू डू द फिल्म. लेट हिम. प्रोजेक्ट्स मत बनाओ ना फिर जाके, फिर वो पिक्चर बनती है. अभी तो कितनी अनसोल्ड फिल्म पड़ी हुई है अभी इंडस्ट्री में. मेरी भी है 1-2, ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा, बट ठीक है, मतलब एंड है थोड़ा सा करेक्शन की जरूरत है बहुत ज़्यादा.
What are the other risks? You spoke about risks. What are the other risks you've taken in your life?
First of all, when I was at prime in the TV industry, I was the guy. I was doing the biggest shows and all. I quit, or I shifted to films. With the kind of money which I was making in 1 month, I got that money for 2 years. मतलब I earned that much of money in 2 years. I did 2-3 films and I got that much amount which I was making in 1 month. So a lot of people, then I left a lot of work and मुझे दोस्तों ने बहुत गालियाँ दी हैं उसके लिए कि तू पागल है क्या, मतलब गाली इतनी गंदी गालियाँ दी हैं, मतलब तेरी लाइफ सेट हो जाती, तू ये कर लेता. मैंने कहा नहीं है, बट मुझे अगर अंदर शाम को आके मैं अगर ये बोलूँगा कि नहीं यार क्या करके आया महाराज, तो वो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं, और अल्टीमेट गोल क्या है यार, मतलब अब ना 40s यार, अभी वो भी मैं करता रहूँगा रोज़ जाके कि परेशान होके, फिर कोई मतलब नहीं है यार काम करने का. उससे अच्छा कम काम करो, अच्छा काम करो, थोड़ी लाइफ भली थोड़ी आप कम कर लो कि आप नई गाड़ियाँ मत लो, आप ये मत लो, बट खुश रहो यार लाइफ में. वो एम्बिशन ठीक है, बट इतना ज़्यादा मटेरियलिस्टिक अप्रोच मत करो लाइफ में कि फिर वो आपको इंटरनल जो आपकी हैप्पीनेस है वो कहीं ना कहीं खो जाए. आप परेशानी घूम रहे हो, देखें ना लोग परेशानी घूम रहे हैं पूरे टाइम, स्ट्रेस में जी रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्यों. रात को नींदें नहीं आ रही लोगों को. लाइक इफ यू सी लॉट ऑफ डॉक्टर्स, आई हैव फ्रेंड्स एंड दे सेड कि मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर कमिंग विद इंसोम्निया, कि 3 बजे सो रहे हैं, 4 बजे सो रहे हैं, 5 बजे सुबह सो रहे हैं, नींद ही नहीं आ रही लोगों को, मेलेटोनिन खा रहे हैं, नींद यार, बिकॉज देयर सो मच ऑफ, दे आर थिंकिंग सो मच बट दे आर नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट द हैप्पीनेस. ये ले लेता हूँ, यहाँ इन्वेस्ट कर देता हूँ, ऐसा कर लूँगा, ये पिक्चर, वो पिक्चर, ये PR, वो PR, आज के कपड़े पहनने, कल क्या पहनना है, कल क्या, क्यों करना है यार. सो नो यार, शाम रात हो गई, खाना खाओ, अच्छी बातें करो अपने पार्टनर के साथ, तो सो जाओ। दिन रात भाग रहे हैं लोग, पता नहीं कहाँ भाग के जाएंगे, क्या कंपटीशन है, क्या कहाँ जाना है। और जो सक्सेस भी है, मैं बिकॉज यू नो लॉट ऑफ आई थिंक शी इज योर फ्रेंड, अश्विनी आडी इज योर फ्रेंड, आई बिलीव, अश्विनी आडी। हाँ, मतलब वी नो एवरीवन, करेक्ट। तो आई वाज डूइंग टीवी एंड ऐसा कुछ था नॉमिनेशन का चक्कर, एंड मेरा नॉमिनेशन भी नहीं है, मैं नंबर 1 शो करता हूँ। तो इस की तो क्या स्टार बनना है, एक्टर बनना है? तो द क्वेश्चन हिट मी, देखो टीवी का स्टार, तेरे से बड़ा भी स्टार हो सकता है ना कल। तेरा शो फ्लॉप हो गया, अगर कोई और हिट हो जाएगा, बट वो एक्टर अगर अच्छा बन गया तो एक्टर रहेगा। तो हम क्या भाग रहे हैं, अच्छा एक्टर की पीछे, अच्छा एक्टर बनो ना यार। लॉट ऑफ लाइक ऐसी लाइक पंकज त्रिपाठी फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कहाँ छोटे छोटे काम करके नवाज आ गए ना वहाँ पर पोजीशन पे, जयदीप आ गया ना वहाँ पर, विजय वर्मा आ गया ना वहाँ पर, लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स। सलमान खान एक ही होगा ना यार, यू कांट बी सलमान खान, ही सलमान खान ना, यू कांट बी सलमान खान, you can be you, शरद केलकर can be शरद केलकर, he can't be सलमान खान। So grow within yourself ना, why you want to, मेरे को ऐसा क्यों बनना है, मेरे को खुद को बड़ा करना है ना, तो खुद से कंपटीशन करो। हम दूसरे से कंपटीशन में मर रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्यों। वो एक थोड़ा सा ये जो चल रहा है ना, ये अभी जो माहौल, वो आई थिंक वो थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है।
Social media has a lot to do with it. Everybody is looking for validation with
You
social
might have
media.
seen that time or not when people used to stand outside Rajesh Khanna sir's bungalow or something like that. You might not have seen, but I think before your.
But I've heard.
हाँ, I have said Devanand sir's story और Mr. Bachchan से आज भी होता है when जलसा के बाहर लोग भीड़ जमा होती, क्यों होती है? वो बिकॉज वो इतने साल सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं थे, वो कभी रहे नहीं, देवानंद साहब कभी नहीं रहे, तो लोग मरते देखने के लिए कौन है? आप रोज रहोगे, रोज क्या कर रहे हो ये लोगों को पता है।
Devanand used to not wear a black suit because the people would go crazy. The girls would be, there would be a stampede. So if he was in public, he would never come out in public. I mean, for premieres.
वो राजेश खन्ना साहब की गाड़ी लाल हो जाती, सुना वो लिपस्टिक से, किससे है भैया? आज सुनने को मिलते हैं, कैसे नहीं मिलता ना। दैट इज द स्टारडम व्हिच वी टॉक अबाउट ना, कि स्टारडम क्या है? वो स्टारडम है।
Speaking of stardom, you married a very far more successful individual than you, and she gave up her career, and you know that's probably, forget the risk. It is a huge sacrifice for when they talk about women empowerment and all of that. It's all. Were you a good boyfriend? Are you a better husband? What's the dynamics like?
We are friends first of all. So whatever we do.
How long did you date before you got
3 months.
3 months mein you decided this?
Yeah, this is a girl. So we are more of friends. We share everything, whatever happens, whatever we are feeling, and we respect each other. वो बहुत ज़रूरी है। आप ग्रांटेड नहीं ले सकते यार। वो मैं बहुत बार बोल भी चुका हूँ लोगों को ज्ञान बांटते हुए। People call me ज्ञानी बाबा, but yeah, you can't take them granted because जैसे अभी कोई चल रहा था मेरा एक ऐसा, क्या होता है, इंस्टाग्राम पे चलता था ना पेज ऐसा, इफ यू लव योर पार्टनर यू शुड से इट दैट आई लव यू, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू से। सो स्मॉल थिंग्स, बट यू हैव टू इंटरनली यू टू रिस्पेक्ट एंड वैल्यू समबडी। है अभी है से नहीं है, वो क्यों है, क्या है, क्या अहमियत है उसकी, वो रख के और वो जता के करना चाहिए। जताना बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो आई थिंक I respected her decision when we got married, and then बच्चा कब, we both wanted, but अभी नहीं यार, अभी नहीं। मैंने कहा how long? You tell me a time. Yes, 7 years. I don't want. I said okay, done. We'll think about it after 7 years. We never spoke about it for 7 years. 7 years finished, and I get out, like, yeah, we can now. So we had a baby, and obviously she had to take a back step. But she did a show after that, and she realized that no, the world has changed. Where she was working earlier, and now the TV world is completely different. And she was not getting that, kick out of it as a professional, as a good actor. If you are frustrated or if you are not, enjoying it, why to do it? I said, okay, fine. If you have taken that call, I respect that. Now I'll do my thing. are you okay to take care of the baby? Yeah, well, sometime I'll do, then I want to start something new. I said, okay, you do it. And last year she started a event company. And you know Hussain, I think, Hussain Kwajarwala, his wife, Tina.
Okay.
So Tina and Kirti started a company, and we both, give them full liberty, whatever they want to do. We support them because they supported us for so long. Like, taking care of a baby is not a piece of cake, I realized, एक भी काम आज ही स्कूल जाना था, and I was like, मेरा commitment है, कहीं मैं नहीं जा पाऊंगा अभी. So understand, they can't give this जवाब ना, मतलब
आधी तो बातें आपको पता भी नहीं
चलती है क्या हो रहा है घर में, हाँ, मतलब क्या चल रहा है. नहीं, मुझे काफ़ी कुछ पता है क्योंकि शाम तक रिपोर्ट आती है मेरे पास सारी, तो वी शेयर ये प्रॉब्लम है, अब ये करना पड़ेगा. So normally I don't miss her school sessions, whenever we are called, and until it's a very important shoot or something, or otherwise I go. Doctor visits I never miss. I always go and understand what's happening or whatnot. So we support each other in that way, and we respect each other. कि यार, if you want to do this, I'll not degrade it, or I'll not कि यार क्या कर रहे हो यार, अगर मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ, ये क्यों कर रहे हो यार, इसमें क्या मिल रहा है तुमको? So we always respect कि नहीं, whatever you're doing, you're thinking and doing it. You're not just doing it just for doing it. It's like you have some thought behind it. इसलिए कर रहे हो, या you have some plans around it. Plan fail हुआ, successful हुआ, that's separate thing. But जो कर रहे हो उसमें I should support you. That's our thought, both of us. So
she doesn't worry that you're an attractive man who meets other attractive women, and you must be doing hanky panky on the side.
No, मेरे घर में एक रूल है, दहाचात घरात.
Not साचात.
नहीं, दहाचात घरात. In Bombay में it's not because people come to office at 1 o'clock. They don't go to office at 9 o'clock. So the work starts at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So that 3-hour window is there that you can. And then obviously sometimes you go to gym, or I don't go to parties. I don't go out. Once in a month we'll go out for dinner or something, but I don't go out.
But do you have close friends with
we have the close circuit, and
like,
हफ्ते में एक दिन है.
people or not?
No, some of them are out of industry, some are from the industry, but we go once, and there's one group only where we meet. We are not finding friends otherwise कि हर के साथ. तो हफ्ते में या 15 दिन में एक बार मिलते हैं हम लोग रात को, किसी के घर पे, मेरे घर पे, किसी के घर पे, and we have that good time, and then but otherwise
they're also actors and all that.
Few of them, like Hussain is an actor, otherwise हाँ बस वही है, बाकी कोई नहीं है, बाकी सब business वाले हैं, या किसी they have other things. But so I don't go parties, तो फिर time ही कहाँ है? I go for shoots, and she knows that I'm a workaholic. तो मुझे अगर 20 मिनट मिलेंगे तो मैं काम के लिए कुछ ना कुछ किसी से मिल रहा हूँगा. I don't go to coffee shops. I have my office, so I go to office and I work from there. I call for meetings there. And very important thing, if the trust is not there, there is no point discussing. The trust has to be there, and you have to build that trust over the years with your conduct. और पता चल ही जाता है, अगर आप कुछ इतना 20 साल में तो पता चल ही जाता है, अगर मैं कुछ कर रहा होता था या वो कुछ कर रही होती तो. 20 years is a big time, यार. It's been 20 years of marriage, so.
Does it bother you, the world that your daughter will inherit? It's a crazy world, violence, social media, so much information, brain.
Bothers me. So, what we are doing that earlier, like in a peer group, normally after 12 years they'll get a phone. Then last year we said, no, after 14. Now this year we said after 16 you'll get a phone. So we are trying to avoid, or maybe delay it for a certain time. But exposure is there. You can just guide them. And touchwood, now today's time the schools are very good. They have sessions on internet, on social media and other factors. So they're also guiding, we're also guiding, but we are not preaching. Understand? Today's kids will not understand that. You have to be friends with them and then make them understand what is right and wrong. But, ultimately it's their call. What they want to do, they'll do it. वो है ना अपना कहावत, पूत कपूत तो कादन संचय, पूत सपूत तो कादन संचय. So nobody thought in my family that I'll become an actor. All lower middle class people, we were like lower middle class people, and from there here, somebody thought that destiny has its own course. So I don't know, but we can just guide them one thing she should not feel that she is a very privileged kid. वो एक superiority complex नहीं आना चाहिए. Neither inferiority, neither superiority complex. She should be a normal kid. We try to do that as far as we can. Beyond that, though.
Does she know her father is an actor?
Yeah, she knows. But still, she'll ask me, why are you going for a shoot? So I said, it's my passion. I love it. That's why I go. I don't give the answer कि I get money out of it. तो बहुत लोग होते हैं कि बेटा घर कैसे चलेगा? So I said, it's my passion. I like it. That's why I go. If you like to play basketball, you go to play basketball, right? That's why I like acting, so I go. So we are trying to create her own choices, passions, what she likes, and we encourage that. Like she has a good interest in music, so learn music. Whatever you want to learn in music, you want to learn piano, you want to like vocals, Western classical, learn. If you fail, it's okay. We are there to support you.
How old is she now?
She'll turn 11 now.
So what are the do's and don'ts for a happy married life? Like what do you think as a husband?
Sometimes I also go wrong in that, but you listen.
Wife is always right.
No, not really. If you listen to them, I think at that point will come, they'll understand. Ki after listening for half an hour, if I say something, she'll take it in a good space. So listening is very important. आपको सुनना पड़ेगा. सुन लो. Because she just want to say. She just want to talk. सुनो. समझ लो. And then हम क्या करते हैं? सुनते नहीं हैं. जवाब पहले सोचते हैं. तो जवाब सोचने से सुनना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो आप as a husband I try to do that. मैं भी फेल होता हूँ कई बार. ऐसे मैं कोई perfect as a husband नहीं हूँ. Perfect father भी नहीं हूँ. But we keep on trying to achieve that. कि यार मैं अच्छा कर पाऊँ, अच्छा कर सकूँ. फेल भी होते हैं उसमें, फिर गाली भी खाते हैं घर पे. तूने ये नहीं किया, तुमने वो नहीं किया, तुमने ऐसा नहीं किया. वो ठीक है फिर. And there is no harm in saying sorry. Trust me on that. ये बहुत एक मेल ईगो है जो अपनी जेब में रख लो जाके जाए तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. आई थिंक इफ यू आर एट फॉल्ट और अगर नहीं भी हो फॉल्ट पे बट इफ इट्स गिविंग हैप्पीनेस टू द अदर, ये सॉरी ना यार, क्या प्रॉब्लम है उसमें? बहस, उसमें झगड़ा, चिक चिक. एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बट आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर नाउ फॉलोइंग विच आई बीन टेलिंग फॉर लास्ट 15-18 years टू माई फ्रेंड्स एंड अदर पीपल कि सॉर्ट एवरीथिंग आउट बिफोर यू गो टू बेड. Don't take that fight next day. So don't sleep without resolving that. खत्म करो, भले सॉरी बोलना पड़े, पैर छू लो जाके, बट खत्म करो और फिर सो जाके. वो it has to be one rule in every house. उस झगड़े को नेक्स्ट डे मत ले जाओ. तो वो है. बाकी रिस्पेक्ट वो एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि men they don't speak much, they don't share things. वो एक है. So वो जितना बताते हैं उतना ही सुन लो. मतलब don't dig it so much that they get frustrated कि यार या फिर irritated कि यार बता दिया है मैंने, मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ, मेरा क्या इशू है. I can share a brief thing about it कि यार ये मुद्दा है, उतना. हाँ, if you are capable of solving it, obviously you can give solutions. वो आदमी वहाँ मर्द थोड़ा सा परेशान हो जाता है कि यार इतना अभी क्या, मतलब मैं वैसे ही उसको अवॉइड कर रहा हूँ सोचना और ऊपर से. तो कई सारे इट्स अ वेरी मिक्स ऑफ थिंग्स विच यू कैन अप्लाई इन योर लाइफ एंड बी हैप्पी. यार बेस्ट थिंग इन लाइफ. एनी सिचुएशन यू हैव टू मेक इट, क्या फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट. आप कोशिश करो खुश रहने की. आप खुश रहने लगोगे एक टाइम पे. वो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप खुश रहो यार. दैट्स अल्टीमेट थिंग. मैंने जो रियलाइज़ किया है कि ये भी आ जाए मेरे पास, वो भी आ जाए, क्या करके क्या करोगे यार. मतलब मेरे पास सेंट्रो थी तब भी मैं ड्राइवर, मुंबई में मैं गाड़ी चला सकता नहीं हूँ, तो वही चलाता था. मैं वहाँ भी सो जाता था अच्छे से. अब मैं मर्सिडीज़ में उसमें भी सो जाता हूँ. तो मुझे आज इनोवा उसमें भी सो जाता हूँ मैं. मुझे कोई भी गाड़ी दो मैं सो जाऊँगा बाजू में. तो मुझे जब वो चीज़ किसी भी गाड़ी, तो गाड़ी का कोई मतलब रहा नहीं मेरे लिए. और ये दुनिया ऐसी है ना, आज आप महंगी गाड़ी, सबसे बेस्ट गाड़ी लोगे, 3 महीने बाद उससे अच्छी गाड़ी आ जाएगी कोई, तो देयर इज नो लिमिट। तो फिर तो लालच क्या क्या कहाँ लेके जाए, मतलब क्या करना है, आप अपना देखो कि आपको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है वो करो, और इतना ही है, बस कि लेक्चर क्या दूँ इसके बाद।
You started first dubbing for Smurfs, I think.
Yeah.
At the cost of 3,000. I think
Yeah.
you 3,000.
3,000.
Now, of course, you're paid lakhs as a
No,
dubbing
nobody pays
actor.
me. Trust me on
That's
that.
not true. That's not
I'm telling you honestly.
What do you learn as a dubbing actor? Is it easier because you are an actor yourself?
Yeah, it's much easier for me.
Like when you
because,
say dub for a Prabhas or you dub for.
correct. So because I don't, you know that there's a dubbing artist, there's a voice actor. Two different terms to it. So how you become a, suppose I'm dubbing for Prabhas, I'll not dub the same way for Nani. Because his persona is different, his character is different, his personality is different, whether my voice. So when the film Dasra came to me and I said, no, yaar, on Nani my voice will not suit. Because he's a drunkard in the film, that's why they wanted a little heavier voice as an actor. So that's why I did it. Otherwise, with Prabhas, the plus point is that we are almost same personality, we are big, we are... I think that's why Rajmouli says, I think selected me for the character.
Have you met Prabhas and had a conversation with
No, very brief. Hi, hello. He's a very shy guy. He doesn't speak much. He doesn't come. So once or twice we met and we just clicked pictures and thank you. So we haven't met him. Means I haven't met him, but yeah. But
other heroes, South heroes, happy.
Nani,
with you?
obviously, I met. Nani
lovely.
is a sweet guy, very sweet guy. I love him. Obviously, Pawan Kalyan sir, obviously, I worked with him in a film, Sivakarthikeyan. So I met, and we play cricket also, the CCL.
Achha.
We play, so we keep on meeting, bumping to all the Sudeep sir, so everyone we keep on meeting. They all are very nice people here, and but my only funda when I dub for somebody, I make sure that my voice will suit them. If it's not suiting, I'll not dub it.
Has a situation
yeah,
happened
came.
like
I think Prasenjit sir's one film. I think Traffic. I think one film. I think Prasenjit or Jishu.
Yeah.
I think Prasenjit sir. So for him, they asked me. I said, no, sir, my voice will not suit him. Trust me on that. Whether you're paying me or not, I'll not dub. It will not sound good. It will not sound fake, and I don't want. It's most of the films, it's sounding very fake. मतलब उसकी personality आवाज कहीं जा रही है. So it's like it should not work. It should look like that they have.
Heroines में भी बहुत होता है South.
हाँ, but heroines still because it's manageable. Boys particularly, मुझे लगता है कम से कम ऐसा मेरा है कि if I watch a film, if it's a dubbed film, it should not sound like a dubbed film. तो देखने ऐसा लगना चाहिए वो हिंदी में बोल रहा है डायलॉग. Sync, the voice texture, his it should match everything.
How long do you take to dub a film?
Very short, 3-4 days I finish. And I don't dub for 8 hours, I dub for 4 hours, 5 hours max. Otherwise sometimes 3 hours. So in 3 to 4 sessions I finish a film because so my process is very different. I feel that I am the hero. Once you get into it, that you are the hero of the film. So you understand the script first. Scenes.
The sound engineers and all must be going crazy, na? With
No,
you
no.
acting it out.
Yeah, I have to act. Yeah, it's a crazy time. Sir, mic हिल गया sir. Sir, आप off mic जा रहे हो sir. I said, अच्छा ठीक है, mic पे जाता हूँ. So all that thing happens, but I enjoyed that. But understand, it's again a very underprivileged industry, so people don't take it seriously, but they should. Ideally, they should. They should. It's again it enhancing the quality of the film. And if you want to do a pan-India film, you should think about like अपना श्रेयस ने किया है मतलब पुष्पा he did brilliant Pushpa. So it matters who and how he is dubbing. It's just not कि dub करना तो कर देते हैं किसी से भी लिखवा लेते हैं film. Yeah, writers are there who writes good. Pay them money, they'll write better. वो भी नहीं culture नहीं है अपने वाला. So I think mediocrity is prevailing everywhere. चलो करो.
Can you tell me about the auditions that you've done, which you got rejected? You know, some film that you talked about Tumhari Sulu, but some audition that you've done, you really wanted it badly, but it went to a less, deserving actor, and you saw the poster or you saw the film and said, I would have done a better job. What were your auditioning days like?
In Tumhari Sulu's case only, I think when Suresh told me that they took Manav, I was very happy because Manav मेरा पहले से दोस्त भी था and superb actor. So I didn't have any problem with that कि यार मानव को क्यों लिया. हाँ कोई और होता उसकी जगह तो शायद मैं बोलता कि यार क्या क्यों यार मतलब. But otherwise I never, मैं हमेशा ये बोलता हूँ यार कि अगर मैंने एक तो ऑडिशन बहुत कम देते हैं हम लोग, देते नहीं है ज़्यादा audition.
You in the 90s and all that?
नहीं, I gave मतलब फिल्म में तो मुझे जरूरत, मैंने सिर्फ रामलीला का ऑडिशन दिया था
Okay.
एंड वो बहुत अच्छा ऑडिशन था तो हो ही गया
So
सिलेक्शन.
you've not flunked any auditions?
No, there's nobody asked for auditions now. I think हाँ मतलब very few. Like I gave few, but हाँ there's some reason I understand. There's some reason either. कई बार क्या होता है ना, हाँ वो होता है. I'll not name it, but होता क्या है कि आपका ऑडिशन बहुत अच्छा है, but they also see कि यार मेरा हीरो इतना बड़ा है तो मेरा विलन इतना बड़ा होना चाहिए. वो बड़ा एज एन एक्टर या एज अ स्ट्रेचर और एज अ स्टैंडिंग इन द इंडस्ट्री और वो परसीव कैसे किया है उसको, तो वहाँ तकलीफ होती है थोड़ी सी कि यार ये मैं बेटर कर सकता. तो कई फिल्में हैं ऐसी जहाँ मुझे लगता है वैसे कि यार ये अगर मुझे पूछा गया था लेकिन इसको दिया गया, बट ये मैं बेटर करता शायद. बट अगेन वो स्टीरियोटाइप वाला चक्कर है, वो टाइप कास्ट वाला चक्कर है.
You get typecast a lot? You felt?
Now, not things are changing now. I'll be very honest. But yeah, in between those 5-6 years, पुलिस वाला कौन है बुला लो, विलन कौन है बुला, ठाकुर कौन है बुला लो. So and I said no to. I'll tell you, I must have done 35 films, but I think I have said no to 70 films. I don't. So that hustling you were talking about, I don't hustle, and I don't fear also कि मैं ना बोलूँगा तो काम नहीं मिलेगा. नसीब में तो मिल जाएगा, बट मैं वो क्यों करूँ जो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. एंड पहले होता था कि पहले जो एक मीडिएटर होता था जो बात कराता है आपकी, वो कहीं ना कहीं उल्टा कुछ बोल देता था पहले. बट नाउ आई स्ट्रेट अवे टॉक टू द डायरेक्टर एंड आई सेड कि सर रहन देते हैं, वाला अगला कुछ कर लेंगे. सो देन आई एम वेरी ऑनेस्ट अबाउट
They take rejections easily?
इट. इन इंडस्ट्री तकलीफ तो अगर मुझे भी कोई ना बोलेगा तकलीफ तो होगी ना पहली बार. सो देयर इज अ रीजन टू इट कि यार मैंने सोचा था करेगा, मैं चाहता था इसको, बट इसको पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, इसने ना बोल दिया. तो द फर्स्ट रिएक्शन इज ऑलवेज अ लिटिल डिसअपॉइंटिंग किसी का भी. बट ठीक है अभी मतलब इट्स हिज लाइफ इज माई लाइफ, आई डू थिंक अबाउट माई सेल्फ. तो वो है कि कई बार लोग नहीं लेते अच्छे से, काफ़ी लोग नहीं लेते. नो या एंड दैट्स ह्यूमन नेचर है. मतलब मैं उसमें उनका दोष नहीं है. वो जब टाइम आएगा तो समझेंगे उस चीज़ को. जब अगेन वो जब ब्रीदिंग करेक्ट करेंगे ना तो वो समझ जाएंगे कि ये करेक्ट कॉल था.
It's all about the breathing.
इट्स ऑल अबाउट कीपिंग काम. तो वो कीपिंग काम होना बहुत ज़रूरी है मुझे लगता है. वो लोग हो नहीं पा रहे हैं. कंटिन्यूस प्रूविंग चल रही है हर जगह, चाहे सोशल मीडिया हो, चाहे वो फिल्में हो, चाहे कुछ हो. वी वांट टू प्रूव दैट वी डिड राइट. वो किसको प्रूव कर रहे हैं? खुद को प्रूव करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप अंदर झांक के देखो कि आप सही कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो. तो मेरी तकलीफ है कि मुझे आज तक एक नॉमिनेशन नहीं मिला है फिल्म फेयर में. तो मैं बोला कि आज तक नहीं बोला ना मैंने आज तक.
Of course you whether
No?
it was Live Hari or whether it was that. अच्छा.
एक ही फिल्म बोला है because you didn't have any choice also that time. but that too I didn't get the award. Kishore Kadam got the award.
Fine.
I'm sorry. But उसके बाद मैंने बहुत से रोल किए. You could have given me, but मैंने बोला कि आज तक नहीं दिया. I'm sending message, he laughs. But idea is that again it's about the positioning point of, I think maybe the perceive कैसे कर रहे हो आप किसी को. But ठीक है वो किस्मत है. मैं I'll tell you all, I'll not name, but मैंने काफ़ी इंटरव्यू में बोला भी है कि one actor was struggling for his work and money, and I said कि your time will come, wait. And now that actor doesn't have dates for next 3 years. Must have won 2 filmfares or 3 filmfares till now. Yeah, right. And he always said कि सही बोले थे. So point is that कि my time will come यार. Means why should I be in a hurry यार? मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ यार?
अच्छा तो कर रहे हो. Time will come का काम.
नहीं अच्छा देखो एक्टर बहुत लालची आदमी अपने काम के लिए. Appreciation.
What is it that you want finally? Is there a game plan? Like you said, no. Is there a game? What is it that you Is there like a role? Is there a director that you? What is it? सब कुछ तो I mean from where I see it, it's
No, so I'm very contented at what I'm doing right now. But obviously, I can't stop dreaming also. No?
correct.
I have my own ambitions, I have my goals, but I'm not running behind them. I'm walking. ये मिलेगा. Like from non-actor to actor, मिल गया ना recognition. मतलब कोई बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, ना कोई फैमिली का है, ना कुछ है. वहाँ से यहाँ आ गए. अब यहाँ से टीवी एक्टर से फिल्म एक्टर में एक्सेप्टेंस हो गया है. फिल्म में डिसेंट एक्टर में हो गया है. वो जो अच्छा एक्टर की कैटेगरी है वहाँ आ जाएंगे धीरे धीरे कुछ टाइम के बाद. सो life is supporting me, so I'm quite patient in that term.
Did it bother you that you got stereotyped as a TV actor for a long time?
Not because that time everyone was like labeled as TV actors. In fact, my old one of my old interviews, I think very old interview, I said कि for me as an actor is an actor. He's not from TV or from stage or from films. It doesn't matter. So stop calling them TV actors or stage or theatre actors. That was an old article. It used to bother me that time, but I think my transition was so smooth that I didn't feel that after particular that film Ram Leela, I think it was quite smooth. And again,
Literally, Ram Leela is really a breakout.
Yeah, because correct, right. And I'll be very grateful to Bhansali sir that in that particular time when nobody was taking TV actors into films, and he took me and gave me a very important role in the film. And I was also smart enough that I never ran behind the hero वाला कि मेरे को हीरो ही बनना है. हीरो तो मैं था टीवी में यार, मतलब जितना शायद एक फिल्म वाले को, एक डिसेंट फिल्म वाले को नहीं जानते होंगे उतना मुझे जानते थे लोग. सो आई हैव सीन दैट स्टारडम वाला फेज कि यार देख लिया ना, अभी इससे बड़ा क्या करोगे मतलब. तो फॉर मी दैट बिकमिंग एन एक्टर वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वो एक लेबल बहुत ज़रूरी था मेरे लिए, टू एटलीस्ट प्रूव एट होम टू माई वाइफ ऑल्सो कि नहीं यार, बिकॉज शी ऑलवेज whenever she give interviews, she always says this कि when I did my first scene with her, she went to the makeup room and she said to the hair stylist कि यार अब तो लगता है मुझे ज़िंदगी भर काम करना पड़ेगा, ये इतना गधा एक्टर है. So I wanted to prove that I can learn, I can do mehnat and I can learn the craft. It's not rocket science. If I'm honest, I'm ready to put in my hard work. I can be that actor. तो मेरे को वही एक मोटिव था कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई द ट्रांजिशन वाज क्वाइट स्मूथ. मैं अगर उस रट में फंसता कि मेरे को हीरो बनना है तो शायद मैं हीरो बन भी जाता और शायद मैं उल्टा गिर भी जाता.
Where do you learn the most? From which of your directors do you learn the most about acting or voice modulation?
I think I'm pretty lucky that I worked with most of good directors. If you name it, from Nikhil Advani to Nishikant Kamath to Bhansali sir to Om Raut to Ajay sir himself. I think I've been lucky that, but there's still a lot of good filmmakers I want to work with.
You have a wish list?
हाँ, obviously, and I go and meet and I tell them. मैं तो अभी भी मतलब मुझे याद है बहुत, मुझे पता नहीं कितना सच है नहीं है, but lot of people say कि Mr. Bachchan went to Yash ji and asked कि यार मुझे काम चाहिए. तो मिस्टर बच्चन कैन गो, मैं कौन हूँ यार, मैं तो बोल ही सकता हूँ. और काम मांगने में बेशरम बनने में कोई इशू नहीं है. तो मैं मांग लेता हूँ, मैं जिससे मिलता हूँ उससे बोल देता हूँ कि सर एक फिल्म तो करेंगे साथ में, जब भी आपका मन करे. मतलब मैं ये नहीं बोलता सर नेक्स्ट फिल्म में लेना है मेरे को, जब भी मन करे आप बताओ. तो मैं बोल देता हूँ मुझे. हाँ, भले ही मैं अवार्ड्स ही मांगता. जब मिलना है मिल जाएगा, जब अच्छा काम करूँगा तो मिलेगा ऑब्वियसली.
Chalo, so here's hoping more wonderful breathing. Just
100%.
be your wonderful self. And thank you for being part of this conversation. Thank you. It was fun.
Thank you for calling me here.
Not at all. It was a pleasure.
मैं यही बोलना चाहूँगा, बचपन से ये मैगजीन पढ़ता था, आज मैं दी जितेश पिल्ले के साथ इंटरव्यू दे रहा हूँ. I am here. I arrived. I achieved something in my life.